Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add an app on your home screen on your Android device. So your home screen is the first screen that you get when you unlock your phone. This is my home screen. So to first add an app, what we need to do is swipe up. This will give us the list of apps that we have. Then we will select the app that we want. For me, it's Brave. And then we will tap on it and press. This will open a menu. And when we move it, we can then go to the home screen. And then what we will do is, once we're in the home screen and select a suitable spot, we let go. This will automatically add it to our home screen. And if we want to remove it, what we can do is we can also do the same thing, tap and hold it, move it, and then we have this remove option and we let go. So this is how you add an app and remove an app on your home screen. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.